is Apolinario Mabini? Apolinario Mabini was born in July 23, 1864 in Talaga, Tanawan. Died in May 30, 1903 at the age of 30 years old in Manila. His full name was Apolinario Mabini E. Maranan. His parents is Janicia Maranan and Inocencio Mabini. His education was in Colegio de San Juan de Letran, University of Santo Tomas, UST, Faculty of Civil Law. His siblings is Alejandro Mabini and Prudencio Mabini. What is the background of social thinker Apolinario Mabini? Born into a peasant family, Mabini studied at San Juan de Letran College in Manila and won a law degree from the University of Santo Tomas in 1894. In an insurrection organized in August 1896 by nationalists, he joined the forces of the patriot General Emilio Aguinaldo and soon became his right-hand man. Who is Apolinario Mabini in Philippine history? Mabini was appointed Prime Minister and was also the Foreign Minister of the newly independent dictatorial government of Emilio Aguinaldo on January 2, 1999. Mabini led the first cabinet of the Republic. He remained the head of Aguinaldo's cabinet until his resignation on May 7, 1899. Why is Apolinario Mabini is a great hero? He is regarded as the utak ng himagsikan or brain of the revolution and is also considered as a national hero in the Philippines. Mabini's work and thoughts on the government shaped the Philippine fight or independence over the next century. What symbolizes Apolinario Mabini? Duyan or hammock. The hammock is a symbol of Apolinario Mabini's role in the struggle for freedom and sovereignty of the Filipino nation. Mabini, who became paralyzed in 1896, did not let his disability stop him from achieving greatness. Despite facing continuous struggles, he urged Filipino to aspire for excellence.